There's a call for stricter security at public facilities after a missing patient at the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth was found dead in the sea just behind the facility on Thursday. Here once again is KRISTA Campbell with the details.
A beautiful sea view just behind the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth, with an unpleasant sight for one resident who went outside about 6:45 Thursday morning to tend to her cat.
Natural human nature would be to look over the seawall, and there was the dead man floating. I know it's a man, because my man is underwear and a black shirt pulled up, floating face down in the water. And he had an armband, but I thought it was from a hotel.
The resident, who did not want her identity revealed, took pictures and called the police. When undertakers looked at the dead man's armband, a shocking discovery that he was actually a patient at the Black River Hospital. CEO Diana Brown Miller says the hospital is investigating how the patient escaped.
Mr. Allen absconded from the hospital. Efforts were made to find him and to bring him back. However, it proved futile, and as such, we learned of this very unfortunate situation.
Typically, patients are not allowed to leave the hospital once they have an armband still in place, and the deceased man had not been discharged from hospital.
The policy is that the security officer should be the one to release the armband from the patients on discharge. So I will not say that he can't, but should protocols be followed, that usually should not happen.
The CEO says the administration is also reviewing hospital security to put necessary measures in place to prevent such an incident from happening again.
In terms of the numbers, they are inadequate. However, I must inform you that we have continuous patrols happening by the security at the facility.
KRISTA Campbell, TVJ News.